One thing that's been really exciting for Sandler is over the last year we had our rebrand. So that was the launch of our new logo, our new messaging. And although a lot of Sandler's core concepts have stayed the same, we've really evolved over time to help incorporate the things that have changed over time, such as technology, the way people interact, the virtual environment that we find ourselves in. So Sandler has maintained that core concept of helping to master the craft of selling at every phase of the sales journey. So whether you're just entering sales for the first time or you're a sales leader, Sandler is there for you at each phase of that journey. Likewise, Sandler is there as the world moves forward, as technology evolves, as the way people communicate evolves. Sandler is constantly updating those various behaviors, attitudes, and techniques to keep up with that throughout time.